This YouTube channel, Sketchocalypse, makes around $7,000 a month, and that's only from YouTube ads. Their videos get millions and millions of views, but the one secret that most people don't know is that their videos take less than 10 minutes to make. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these type of sketch animations step by step. Even if you're a beginner, even if you know nothing about AI, this video will teach you step by step how to make these videos and how to profit from them today. So if you're ready, hit the like button and let's get into it. I'm also giving away some cool prizes in the video, so definitely stick around for that. Hit the like button, let's get into it. We're going to video.golpoai.com. The link is in the description below. Click on it, follow along if you want. As soon as we get to the home page, we're going to click on Get Started. It's going to take us to this page, and it's giving us the option to enter our own video or podcast topic, perspective, or any instructions in literally any language. So we can say something like, make me a video about why AI is going to make the most amount of millionaires in 2026. Perfect. I can either use this or I can attach a PDF or a docs file. We can choose audio only here if we don't want a video file. We have additional instructions. We can add voice instructions like talk in an English accent, use an enthusiastic tone, or talk like a professor. You can literally put anything in this box that you want. Your imagination is the limit. Now, there's optional video instructions as well. We can say show more graphs and charts, include more stock footage, use cinematic transitions, use better B-roll, etc. Now, this is going to automatically create our video script, but we have the option to edit it inside of Golpo AI. So we can click this box if we want to be able to edit the video script before creating the video. And we can generate the video in color or black and white. Down here are a bunch of different options. We can choose our music style, our duration, and this makes videos up to 10 minutes long. Male or female voice. We can choose the orientation horizontal or vertical for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Language. There's so many different language choices here, but we're going to stick with English. And we can choose our style, classic or improved. We can add a logo. Once we're satisfied, we click Generate Video. Guys, the video that I just made in less than 5 minutes is unbelievable. I can't believe that this exists. Check it out.
The idea of a one-person billion-dollar company used to be a fantasy. By 2026, it'll be a headline. This revolution is powered by two things.
This is amazing, guys.
AI, autonomous systems
like 3 years ago, this didn't exist. These channels have been around for quite a while, but this is just starting to become mainstream.
Vibe coding. You can now build sophisticated software
just
by describing
yes.
in plain English.
Listen,
development time.
I don't know. I just get so excited. Do you know the possibilities of this? That video was made from a single sentence. Actually, it's 2026, guys. It's 2026, and normal people like you are able to make these videos in the click of a button. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways to start making money with this today. I know that there's new AI tools and news coming out every day. There's ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Grok, there's Nano Banana, there's Google VEO3, there's prompting. What prompt should I use? How do I make money? We get it. Oh my God, we get it, AI world. You're moving super fast, and that's okay. And that's why I created AI Income Weekly. It's a completely free newsletter that takes the latest AI trends, the most important AI news in the world, and it breaks it down in a step-by-step fashion that's easy to understand. And in the newsletter, I show you how to make money with AI for beginners. There's no complicated words, there's no tech talk. It's broken down simply for normal people like you to understand and to take action today. Whenever you join the newsletter, you're also entered for a chance to win my entire AI ecosystem, which includes 5 AI courses and my #1 best-selling Faceless YouTube course. So scan the QR code or click on the link in the description below to join now completely for free. Another cool feature about Golpo is that you can actually record your own voice or you can clone it here. So let's click on voice clone. You can upload your own voice file or you can record your voice up to 10 seconds. So let's do the record voice and see how it sounds. My name is Michael. I run JohnnyTube, which teaches people how to make money with YouTube and AI so that they can live on their own terms and be stress-free. Cool. Now that we have our voice recorded, we can come into voice name, my name. We're going to keep it on English. And we're going to check this box that certifies that I'm the rightful owner of, well, my own voice. Click that and click Create Voice Clone. Nice, cloned successfully. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Michael and I run JohnnyTube, which teaches people how to make money with YouTube and AI so that they can live on their own terms and be stress-free. And today's video is about how AI is growing exponentially. Since 2024, AI has been on an uphill climb and it's not stopping. Every day it's getting bigger and bigger. And if you're not paying attention, it could quickly pass you by. We created the videos that we want, but let's say that we don't like a certain scene in the video. We're going to go up to library. We're going to find the video that we created. Let's take this one, for example, and we're going to click on the edit icon. Now it's going to show us all of our clips that we made. So let's say we don't like this unicorn here. Let's click on this and we can basically tell the AI exactly what to change in the video. Change the unicorn color to green. We can add reference images if we want, but for this one, we're just going to click edit.
As of now, there are nearly 500 AI unicorns, with 100 of them appearing in just the last 2 years.
Awesome. That literally took 1 minute and it changed the color of the unicorn. Cool. If we're happy, let's click update. Golpo has 2 main plans. The growth plan that gives you around 150 minutes per month and lets you create up to 4-minute color videos, which is perfect for shorter content. But if you want to create longer videos up to 8 to 10 minutes and unlock features like voice cloning, frame-by-frame editing, and converting existing videos or audio into animations, then the business plan is perfect for you. It gives up to 390 minutes a month and all the pro features. So if you're using Golpo for business, client work, or content creation at scale, I definitely recommend upgrading to the business plan. Also, if you don't have the budget for a business plan, but you still need videos that are 8 to 10 minutes long, choose the growth plan. Create a script, break the video into multiple 4-minute parts, and stitch them together using programs like CapCut or any editor. Just note that the plans below growth won't produce color videos. So making these videos is all well and good, but how exactly do we make money? Here's 5 powerful ways that you can start making money with these videos starting today. The first way to make money with this is to start a faceless YouTube channel. It's completely free and one of your videos can get thousands and millions of views. You can make money with ad revenue, affiliates, brand deals, sponsorship, merchandise, you name it. There's so many ways to make money with faceless videos. The second way to make money with these sketch explainer videos is to sell them on websites like Etsy, Fiverr, Upwork, or TikTok Shop. Guys, check this out. On Fiverr, people are selling these types of animation stories for $600, $275, $150, $75. You can make a full-time business selling these stories on Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy. The third way to make money is to sell them to local businesses and businesses worldwide. You can sell it to children's brands, toy stores, kids app, clothing, daycares, pet businesses, real estate agents, coaches and course creators, therapists, counselors, authors and writers, you name it. There's so many businesses out there that you can contact. Millions and millions of people who you can contact and sell these stories to. The fourth way to make money with this is to go to Facebook and join as many groups as possible. Parenting groups, single mother groups, community groups, you name it. You can sell these types of videos to parents who are looking to explain things to their children, their community, their school, their daycare, etc. The fifth way to make money is to sell your own kids book. You're not actually selling the video, you're taking screenshots from each scene, you're putting it in Canva, creating your own book, and then uploading it to websites like Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP essentially is a self-publishing service where you don't have to go through an editor. You don't have to get a giant book contract. Go to Amazon KDP, publish it yourself, have Amazon send you as many physical copies as you want. You can sell it in person or sell it directly on the website. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to check out Golpo, the link is in the description below. Also, don't forget to sign up to my AI newsletter for a chance to win 5 of my AI and YouTube courses worth around $1,000. Hit the like button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.